Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been here. I've been trying a few experiments that have not gone well. So, yeah, I mean, stupid ones. Well, nothing's really stupid, right? If it's an experiment, you're just trying things. So, yeah, I had some bubble things going on, like with Dawn dish soap, and no, it didn't work. Did not work at all. I have the video, but I don't think I'm going to publish it. Anyhow, tonight we are working on an Artist Loft 16 by 20 level 2 traditional canvas. I have it taped, pinned. We're going to be working with some Sonia colors tonight. This is Sonia Fawn. It's a mid-value warm beige, and then this is bisque. So this is the bisque. And we're just going to do a straight pearl pour. I've added something to my pearl mix, and I want to see if it works. There's the fawn. There's my consistency. Goes right in. This is teal by golden. Yeah. This is a mixture of glisten. Ooh, gosh, I hope this is mixed up enough. This is Glisten with Unicorn. I like mixing my colors up. And speaking of which, this is, this is Caramel Drizzle with S'mores. Nice rich brown. This is Phthalo Turquoise by Golden, mixed with, I want to say blue black, but it's not, that's not right. No, it's Payne's Gray. Payne's Gray. And I also have Triart Liquid Mirror. I'm going to see how this works too, because I've never tried this in a pearl pour, but it looks interesting. So here is my mixture. And I've got, oh my gosh, I've got these new Fluid Art Co. Sticks, and they're really cool because they fit into this quart really well. So this is the consistency of my white, my pearl base. No, it just goes right in. No trace. No trace. So I'm going to put some down. Actually, it looks a little bit thick for my liking. I'm going to try and get it back into the container. That's not going to happen, I'm sure. I am going to, oh, I see something. This base has been sitting around for a while. I spruced it up a little bit, meaning I added some of the ingredients back in. Yeah, it's not. Try. There we go. Almost. Bring it back. And we're going to go over this edge now. Oh shoot, I forgot to put an apron on. This is one of the only pieces of clothing I have that doesn't have paint on it. Oh, kind of late now. And then bringing it back. Want to make sure that that coat is very, very thin. Oh, I'm hitting you. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. This corner did not get it. And this is coming down slowly, but it is coming down. And I did paint my edges and let them sit for a while to get them tacky. Tacky. Okay, whoops, I hit you again. Sorry. Jeez Louise, I think I've never done this before. It's been a while. Ooh, oh, I got hung up. All right, let me move this over. Okay, I do have a nice handy dandy towel here. like a towel rack. I haven't done a big canvas yet. So I am going to put my colors down and then just tilt it out. I'm going to start with this liquid glass. Then I'm going into the Bisque by Sonia. Then the Unicorn mixed with Glisten. That's pretty. Then Fawn. Then Teal. Then I think I'll do the Phthalo Turquoise mixed with the Payne's Gray. Putting a lot on because this tends to get swallowed up. And then the mixture of S'mores and Caramel Drizzle. And let me just hit this with some hot, do I have? I do, right here. Whoa, stop. All right, here we go. Ooh, that liquid glass. Oh, yeah. So I'm hoping this ingredient does what I want it to do. And I'm kind of tweaking it still, so I might not let you know what it is until I know that it works well. Got to get enough of this paint off. So the vertical tilt is coming. Here we go. Can't see what I'm doing. So let's bring it back and bring it down. And I've got some pearls happening already. Yeah, that liquid glass. Oh, so pretty. Wow, those TLP colors are just stunning. I'm gonna get this one part off. And here come the pearls, so I gotta stop. Kinda like it. So I'm gonna let this sit and I'm gonna let it develop, and I'm gonna put you on time lapse and mess with it.